Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be comparing the Chase business line of credit versus the Amex business line of credit and which one makes the most sense for you before you guys go and apply. So make sure you guys watch till the end of the video in order to get all of the information before you make your decision. All right, guys, let's get straight into the video. So here we are on Chase's website, and we're going to be going over their data points on this business line of credit and if it makes sense for you. So Chase business line of credit, revolving credit for purchasing flexibility. Enjoy access to cash for short-term cash flow gaps, unexpected costs, or to help grow your business. Ideal for every business size. Choose the business line of credit that fits right for you. So here are the key features of this line of credit. Lines of credit starting at $10,000 to $500,000. 5-year revolving term with potential to renew thereafter. 5-year repayment term. Pricing, a variable rate indexed to prime. The interest rate is based on such factors as your banking relationship, credit history, and collateral. Payments, the monthly minimum payment is accrued interest plus 1% of the outstanding balance or $100, whichever is greater during the draw term. Make payments and initiate advances online. Eligibility, to be approved for this product, Chase requires that your business be at least 2 years old and under the same majority ownership for at least 2 years. So guys, if your business is not at least 2 years old, what you guys can do is leverage a age or shelved corp in order to help get approved for this, and make sure that the one you guys purchase is 2 years or older, and that will help out with getting approved for this line of credit. Another thing that will really help with you guys getting approved for this line of credit is to have a relationship with Chase before you guys go and apply for this line of credit. So they also have something called a commercial line of credit. A Chase commercial line of credit could be the right choice if your business has larger working capital needs. Key features, typically more than a $500,000 line of credit. Initial terms from 1 to 2 years with the potential to renew thereafter. Pricing, a variable rate index to SOFR. The interest rate is based on such factors as your banking relationship, credit history, and collateral. Payments, make payments and initiate advances online. Balance due in full at maturity slash or quote parentheses balloon. So another thing I want to go over before you guys apply for this is something that would also help get approved for this line of credit is if you guys have some kind of relationship with Chase already, whether that's personal credit cards open or business credit cards that have been open, or of course having an account with Chase. That will definitely help build your relationship with Chase and help you guys get approved for this before you apply. I do have another video that goes over in depth on exactly how to get approved for this line of credit with me speaking directly to our relationship manager at Chase. So if you guys haven't, go and check that out. I'll include that video somewhere here or on the side. So make sure you guys check that out in order to get the exact data points needed to get approved for this line of credit. Now we're going to go into the Amex line of credit. So here you are on Amex's website. So the really good thing with the Amex line of credit is you could be pre-approved. And then if you guys get pre-approved, you guys could therefore go and fully apply for this and get approved after. And you guys, with this method, you guys avoid getting an inquiry if you guys will get denied for the pre-approval. And if you guys already have a relationship with Amex, you guys wouldn't even be getting an inquiry in the first place because you guys are already in the Amex system. So when you guys are already in the Amex system, Amex won't even give you an inquiry if you are already in their system with other cards. As you guys can see here, Amex credit card members are pre-approved for an Amex business line of credit. So if you guys already have a relationship with them, they are a lot less likely and usually never give you an inquiry if you already have a relationship with them. So if you're pre-approved, you'll see the price and line size currently available to you before you apply. American Express business line of credit offers line sizes from $2,000 to $250,000. Only select customers receive initial line sizes over $150K. So you guys could go here, click on Am I Pre-Approved, and fully go through this and see if you guys are pre-approved before you guys even apply. What's required? To submit your business line of credit application, you must meet minimum requirements, including but not limited to be at least 18 years of age, have started your business at least a year ago, have a FICO score of at least 660 at the time of the application, have recent average monthly revenue of at least $3,000. So the better thing with this line of credit in comparison to the Chase line of credit is that with this, you only have to have your corporation be at least a year or older in order to get approved for this. Like I said earlier about the line of credit, if you guys don't have that, you guys could leverage an age yourself corp. Just make sure you guys do your thorough research before purchasing one and making sure that you guys get a good one from a trusted website. Some good websites that I could think of from the top of my head are wholesale aged corps. I'm not affiliated with them. I'm just recommending them to you guys. And there's a few other ones. Just make sure you guys do your thorough research before going and applying for, or before going and getting an aged corp. We do offer that as a service to our clients. So if you guys want us to help you out with that, you guys can reach out to me. But yeah, if for whatever reason you guys don't have a 1 year corp or 2 year corp, then I recommend that you guys start off with business credit cards, build those up. That will help you build the relationship and then leverage that to get these lines of credit. And you guys have some kind of funding in the meantime. And then after your corporation is a year or 2 old, then you guys can go ahead and apply with these lines of credit. But in my opinion, this is easier to get approved for, the AMEX business line of credit. And I probably recommend this, especially if you're just starting out, because you don't need to have as high of a credit score. It's a 660 credit score. Your business only has to be a year old, and you got to have at least $3,000 of revenue monthly. And the way they check that is they have a software called Plaid, where they basically get access to your bank account and scan your account. So that's what they're going to be using in order to be approving you for this and see if you qualify. I do have a video that goes fully in depth on the data points on how to get approved for this business line of credit as well. So I'm going to include that somewhere here on the screen or on the side. So if you guys still haven't, make sure you guys check that out in order to help you guys get fully approved for this line of credit. So how do I apply for this business line of credit? Make your application process smoother by preparing these items in advance. Your business tax ID, EIN number, your social security number, the industry of your business, and estimated annual gross revenue for your business. You will also need to link a business bank account to your application. So like I said earlier, they're going to be using the software Plaid. You can follow these step-by-step instructions to help you link a bank account. Reasons to apply for an American Express business line of credit. Quick application, apply online in minutes. When you connect your business bank accounts to the application, your financial info is reviewed in real time for an efficient decision. Flexible funding options. With short-term single repayment loans and long-term installment loans, there are funding options designed to fit your timelines. Instant deposits. When you draw from your business line of credit and select AMEX Business Checking as your deposit account, your funds are deposited immediately. So here are the installment loans: 6, 12, 18, 24-month loan terms. So these are a lot shorter than the Chase business line of credit. As you guys can see here, the Chase business line of credit was 5 years, and then you guys have the potential to renew thereafter and make it longer. So if you guys want something a lot longer, then of course Chase would make more sense for you in that context. But yeah, guys, just to wrap up the video, which one is better? In my opinion, it really depends on where you currently at in your business. If you guys just started out and your corporation's only a year old, then of course you guys will go with AMEX. If you guys want to avoid increase and you guys already have AMEX, then of course I recommend you guys will go with AMEX, because you're a lot more likely to get approved and you avoid getting increase on your personal credit report. If your corporation's 2 years and you have a relationship with Chase as well, then of course you'll go with Chase. And if you have all of these things, then I would recommend that you go with both of them. And the more funding you guys have for the business, of course, the easier it will make your business journey and investing back into the business and helping it grow and scale. So in my opinion, if you're just starting out, I think the AMEX business line of credit is better. AMEX business line of credit is better. But if you're not just starting out and you've been in business and your corporation is at least 2 years or older, then I recommend that you go for both of them. Or if you guys want something longer, like a 5-year term or more, or a higher line of credit, then of course Chase would make more sense for you. But yeah, that's it, guys. I hope that was a super helpful video. If you guys still have it, make sure to subscribe and comment down below what other videos you guys want me to make. I hope that was a super helpful, practical video. Make sure you guys check out my other ones that go more in depth on both of these lines of credit. And I'll see you guys here on the next video.